Hey guys, today let's learn how to view private tweets on the X app without following. So if you guys would like to go ahead and view those tweets from people with a private account on the X application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is going to be pretty easy because what we need to do first in order for us to solve this issue or to view those tweets is to launch the X application. Now I would like you guys to log on to your preferred account, and what we need to do in order for us to have a quick workaround on this is to go into the search bar, and I want you to search for the username of the person that has that private account. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. We'll actually give you some of those information that the person talks about. So in this case I'm going to go ahead and search for this person right here. So I'm going to go ahead and search for their username only. And as you see, we can actually see the tweets of the people that has interacted with this person, especially if that person or the people that have interacted with them does not have a private account. As you would notice, you could actually see the tweets and have a gist of what they're specifically talking about, and also, well, have an idea of what their tweets are. So as you would notice, there is actually no direct way of viewing the tweets of a private person or of a private account on Twitter or on the X app, but you could search for their username and see some of the tweets that other people has replied to them in a specific conversation or in a specific thread, and you could get a general idea of what they are talking about just by with that. But that's the closest thing we could do in order for us to view the tweets of a private person on the X app. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.